Thank you so much for clicking this video. You're highly welcome to this channel. In today's video, we will be doing it straight out of our street kitchen, whereby we will be showing you how to make this special delicacy, which is the most cheapest and the sweetest street snack ever. We will take you step by step until we get to the last or the final results, whereby the final results, guys, you don't wanna miss it. Please watch till the very end. Hey guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. In case it's your first time coming across this channel, karibu, you're highly welcome. My name is Sioch Tindi. Kindly consider subscribing, give this video a like and tap on that bell to always stay notified whenever I get to upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, you guys, thank you so much for always sticking around, and thank you so much for always supporting your girl. I really appreciate it so much. And you guys, akina love tu sana. Kisses for you, my guys. And you guys, today I want to take you to an outdoor vlog. I want to take you to this one popular street food, or which is, by the way, the most cheapest street food and a snack. It's a street snack. Guys, kindly bear with me. I had to pause the video as I am in the streets and it's quite noisy. I hope you guys gonna bear with me because as you can see, I'm on the roadside and it's quite noisy, so kindly bear with me, guys. So this is my spot today. This is where I'll be filming the video. I want to take you by step on how to make this delicacy street snack called gumu. It's made from wheat flour and trust me, it's so yummy and so easy to make. So you can also make it at your kitchen. So come along with me as I take you through how it's done. But I'm a little bit behind or a little bit late, so I just found Mr. Herbert, or the person showing me how it's done. He had already prepared the dough, so I'm gonna show you the other process, so which is deep frying and cutting into small chunks. So come along with me as I show you how this delicacy, this street food, is being made step by step. I hope you guys gonna love it and you're gonna try it, because trust me, guys, this recipe is a must try. It never disappoints and it's so tasty. So definitely it's a must try. So come along with me. Straight away we start by pouring cooking oil into our clean cooking pot or cooking pan. Wait till it's warm, not hot, as I was told that you should only use warm oil, or you should do the deep frying inside warm oil. It should not be hot, it should be warm. So nice spread. So guys, I'm being told that first you have to lay the dough on a flat surface or on a table. Guys, excuse the noise pollution in my area. It's morning and Herbert is making the ngumus by the roadside. That's the reason why it's too noisy. I hope you guys can hear me clearly. Guys, this is Kenyan street food. It's called gumu, made from wheat flour. You have first to start by preparing the dough by using wheat flour, yeah, and a little bit of salt and sugar as well, and also use baking powder or baking soda. Yeah, you only require, in order to make ngumu, you only require like 3 ingredients. Vitu tatu ndo zinatumika Herbert, si ndio? Okay. So guys, I didn't show you, kindly excuse me, I'm sorry, because I didn't get to show you the the process of making the dough, but it's just a normal process. You just pour the dough in a basin and get to kneading process, like punch the dough. Guys, you have to bear with me because I'm filming this video in the streets and it's quite noisy as it is morning time and everyone is up and about, going to work, school, just name it, guys. But it's quite noisy, so kindly bear with me. I hope you can hear me clearly. Yeah, unaiflatten inakuwa flat kabisa, isiwe flat kabisa. Okay, so guys, you have to make something like this or similar to this, circular one, not too thin, not too what not too thin, not too thick. Yep. Guys, this street food is one of the most popular and the oldest snack or street food. Actually, it's a snack and it's highly treasured. For the longest time, it's been there and it's loved by most people. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever tried eating or have you ever tried this snack? It's called gumu. Au umevalia apron. Guys, Mr. Herbert is so hygienic. He observes the hygienic guidelines. Yeah, he's already worn his apron on. So now this slice. So guys, it's slicing time. You have to slice your dough into smaller chunks. Guys, are you seeing the preparation? It's not that hard. Si ngumu kutengeneza. So hiyo ni Mr. Herbert, hiyo ni size ya ngapi yenye unatengeneza? Ya 10. Wow. Guys, just look at the presentation. Aki, kazi yako ni smart. Na uko msafi, by the way. Guys, this guy is a guy, but trust me guys, he's the cleanest I've seen. And guys, please stick around till the very end to see the end results. They are very tasty. You have to try this out because it's worth trying out. And it's not, the process or the procedure of making gumu is not that hard. It's very simple actually. I think I have to try this at home. Sinaweza jaribu hii Mr. Herbert. Ni channel mpya ndio naingangania nione kama inaweza fika mahali. Usubscribe, nitakutumia link usubscribe, si ndio? So Mr. Herbert, umeniambia wewe si wa Kenya. Guys, Mr. Herbert is not from Kenya. You're from? Burundi. Oh, karibu Kenya. Welcome to Kenya. Kenya iko aje by the way? Watu wa Kenya wanakutreat aje?
Watu wazuri.
Wako wazuri? Roho nzuri. Guys, karibu Kenya, hakuna matata. You heard it from Mr. Herbert himself, the businessman. And economy ya Kenya inakupeleka aje, venye vitu zinapanda? Una manage aje? Like, unajua ngano imepanda, products zimepanda, so nakupeleka aje? So tulikuwa kwa hapo kwa budget na economy ya Kenya inakupelekaje the way vitu zime raise, unga imepanda, unga ya chapo, mafuta. Nini expect by the way kwa hizi products zako? What's the most expensive thing? Mafuta. Guys, cooking oil is so expensive. Na inahitaji mafuta mingi. Hiyo ndio expect. Oh, but unaweza kumanage at least you're getting a little bit of profit. Unapata profit kwa hata kama nini expert. Unajua venye unapanga kazi yako.
Najua.
10 liter. 20 liter. Oh. Guys, Mr. Herbert is telling me that the most expensive product that it's quite challenging in his job is cooking oil, which is very true. By the way, bei ya mafuta imepanda, but he gets to like manage his bills properly. So huu una manage aje? Ni size ya hizi vitu unapunguza ama? Unapunguza ndio at least tupate kitu. Oh. Wow. So guys, Mr. Herbert, he's already adapted to the Kenyan or the businessman mind. He's business minded. So he's telling me since the prices in the market or the prices of cooking oil in the market are so high, he has to like reduce the sizes of the gumu. So that's what he does, and that's the pure mind of a real businessman. You have to know how to play your game. Very business minded guy. Kenya nakupeleka aje huku watu wanaamka mapema ama in general in terms of business? So guys, I think you have to unakata huko kona kwanza, you have to remove the edges or the sides so that you start slicing your ngumus into small portions or chunks. So guys, so Mr. Herbert, life ya Kenya as a businessman inakupeleka aje? Huku watu wanaamka mapema ama unaifind aje?
Na student alikuwa anaenda shule. Sawa. Kutoka shule kauza.
Oh. Guys, he's from Burundi and he's telling me that Kenya is a working state like 24/7. Huu unafungua asubuhi na jioni?
Yes.
Oh, so like he gets to open his job early in the morning, as early as 7 a.m. in the morning. And also he comes back, he closes at around, unafunga saa ngapi? Saa 5? Saa 3. So he's telling me guys that he normally closes his job at around 9 a.m. in the morning after opening. That is after he opens at around 7. He works for 2 hours until like 9:30, then he closes, then he comes back at around 5 ama saa 10? 5. So he comes back at around 5 or 4. Yeah, or 4 p.m. Yeah. So he has 2 work shifts. Yeah. Nice. Zinakaa poa. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Very, very yummy already. Even before deep frying them. Looks delicious already. Let me give you a clear shot. Sasa huu una supply ya like unapelekanga kwa shops? Watu tu wanapita wakinunua ya breko. He's telling me, guys, Mr. Herbert is telling me that he's not yet a wholesaler. He's just a retailer. He just started like 2 months ago, sindio? So he just like makes them by the roadside, as you can see, guys. This is a road. So passerby or people living around this area, they just come for their breakfast, and he's covering the dough now, or the sliced chunks, yeah, so as not to dry ndo zisikauke. So guys, and also guys, as you know, we are in the streets, so it's very necessary to cover the meal so as to avoid contamination and dirt and all that. So he's very clean indeed. Guys, I don't even have to tell you, you just seen for yourself. So he's using this piece of clean clean sack, yeah. And this is a rolling pin or a rolling stick. So over there is cooking oil. He just lit the gas and waiting for it to get hot. Lazima mafuta ikuwe moto, Mr. Herbert. Ikuwe warm.
Ikipungua sana. Ngumu
itaiva juu, haitaiva ndani. Oh, so guys, that's a trick. I think you have to learn that. So I'm being told that the oil shouldn't be that hot. It should be warm, not hot. Yeah, like the way you make your smokies. Just medium or moderate kind of temperature. Moderate temperature is okay. That's a warm temperature. So guys, Mr. Herbert is telling me that the oil doesn't need to be hot, just a moderate temperature. So you should avoid, because hot oil, like the ngumu will not be well cooked from the inside. It will just cook on the outer side, but on the inner side it will be uncooked, which the result will not be quite good, because it might result to stomach ache or stomach upset. So that's a trick to learn. When you're making your ngumu at home, make sure that your oil is quite warm, not really hot, but just warm temperature. Yep guys, and that's it guys. Let's wait for our oil or our cooking oil to get warm, so that we can dip in our sliced chunks of dough in order to result to ngumu. This snack guys is so treasured, and I think that's the cheapest snack ever. When growing up guys, we used to buy it at 5 shillings. Right now it's 10 shillings. Unajua tulikuwa tunabai ngumu pesa ngapi Herbert? Yeah. Tukikuwa watoto 5 bob, imagine shilingi 5. Sasa hivi vitu zimepanda guys. The economy is getting high every day. Let me know in your place how much this cost, because at my place this goes for 10 shillings. Still affordable, but the prices have slightly raised with 5 shillings on top. Yeah, as I told you guys, when growing up we used to buy this for 5 shillings. Right now it's 10 shillings, and even it can go as high as 20 shillings. Sindio? Watu wanakuambia wanapenda hizi nini? Sana. Wanazipenda? Customer wako? Iko smart, iko safi, ni sweet. It's very yummy guys. Customers recommendation, is it recommendation or commendation? They say that it's very yummy and sweet guys, and it's also tender, it's soft. From the inside it's soft, from the outside it's quite hard. Guys, I've seen this is how it's done. Unatumia gas haikupeleki mbio. Iko sawa, si ungetumia kuni ama? Kama hiyo iko tu sawa. Guys, you've seen what I was telling you. You don't need to use hot oil. You use just moderate. It has to be warm, not hot. Nasalimiana aje kwa Kiburundi? Nasalim Si umeze gute. Umeze gute guys. I'm also learning the Burundi language, or the Burundi way of saying, of greeting. So I'm being told that you say hi or you greet people in Burundi by saying umeze gute.
How are you?
that means how are you, and then you respond umezeneza. Hiyo si ngumu, it's si ngumu hiyo. Unajua niko na neighbor wa Burundi na wa Rwanda, sasa najua venye mnasalimiana. Oh, so guys, I'm being told that when it starts to be like this, you have to reduce the source of heat into low. Yeah, from medium to low. You don't cook with high heat, you cook with medium to low. So when it starts to turn like this, as you've seen, you have to reduce your source of heat into low heat. Are you seeing it, guys? Or should I zoom? Guys, as I was telling you, this snack is made by the roadside, or on the roadside. Is it by or on the roadside? Yeah, that one now, guys. As you've seen, here's the road, and here is the point where Mr. Herbert gets to make his gumu or kangumu. So yeah, it's definitely a street food, and it's so loved. And actually, I think this is the cheapest street food ever. Yeah, going for 10 shillings. So if maybe you've never tasted it, definitely you have to try this and taste. You surely love it. It's so tasty and yummy at the same time. And one thing about fresh ngumu, they are tender on the inside, from the inside, and from the outside it's quite tough or quite hard. So that's the reason as to why it's given the name gumu. Gumu means hardened. Yeah, so it's quite hardened. Yeah, guys, and this is how it's going on our cooking pan. They're just cooking slowly, like sizinachukua time mob. You turn. Oh, guys, I'm being told that when they start cracking, you see they are removing some cracks. You can now turn the ngumu. So here's what you've been doing. You just turn them slowly. Zinakaa poa. Sasa sasa umereduce moto kabisa.
Moto hapana saa hii. Kwanza zimalize kupanda tu.
Oh, kupanda zipasuke.
Zipasuke sawa sawa. Moto ikia moto, kuongeza moto.
Ikiwa medium, sasa umeweka medium.
Yeah.
Oh, guys. Let me zoom for you, as I don't wanna put my camera like so close to the cooking pan. So I'm being told that, guys, when it starts to crack like this, kindly guys bear with me. I'm on the streets and it's quite noisy. I don't know if I'll have to do a voiceover for this video, but I hope you can hear me clearly. Can you hear me clearly, guys? So you have to turn them when they start bursting or cracking like this. So turn them on the other side. Guys, Mr. Herbert was kind enough to like just let me in his space where he does the magic, and oh, he's so kind, and I'm just his customer. Like, amenikubalia tu. So he's rolling or turning the other side, as one side is already well cooked, so you have to turn on the other side so as to get cooked as well, just as the way he's doing. So this is how you do it, guys. Street snack. Hii ni snacks, ndio? Wow, zinakaa poa na bado hata zijaiva. Guys, today my camera is focusing like, oh my god. I don't know what normally happens, but guys, I don't know what normally happens, or is it with my camera, or let me know with the other content creators. Do you experience the same? Because at times my camera doesn't focus to the real content, but at this point my camera is really focusing and I'm loving it. Oh my god, it's giving clear shots. Let me know if really you do have such challenges when taking or when filming your video, like the camera isn't giving a clear shot of the real content. Guys, you seen that it's clearly changing into golden brown. The color is, it's giving, the color is so, it's so nice, golden brown. Guys, are you seeing the end results? But guys, kindly watch this video till the very end, because the process is quite longer of making this delicacy street snack, because as I told you guys, it's a slow motion process. You don't like have to fasten the process, like, because the fire or the flame has to be low heat, so that means that the process will be delayed or will be slowly. So these are the end results, guys. Are you seeing the end results? Amazing, looks yummy already. And guys, this is the display where ngumus will be laid or will be put. It's a glass container, very nice for display purposes. Mr. Herbert is so clean. The results are almost ready. Ziko karibu, si ndio? Oh my god, look how crunchy they are. Oh my god, hii unakula tu hata kwa macho. Wow, you guys, my guys, isn't this recipe worth trying out, guys? Definitely it's worth trying out, because tell me why not try it out? Yeah, at this point, and my guys, today my camera is really focusing. I know I'm repeating myself, but I'm really loving the shots. Zimeiva. He's removing them from fire, guys. Is it from fire? Yeah, from the sauce. And he wanna put it into the display. Oh my god, look at the results. Yummy. Wow, zinakaa fiti. So that we achieve the end results, which is ngumu. Yes, at this point we are done. We are now ready for our round 2. Look at the display, guys. Can you see the display? So nice. This is the display, guys. Guys, I'm taking over Mr. Herbert's display. Yeah, you place like that. And he has this inaitangwaje tongue, a big tongue to hold for customers. Mr. Herbert, ka utanifungia ya 50. Unalipanga hapa aje, how much? Anasema space. Unalipishangwa kwa hii space? Wewe unalipishwa? Unalipishangwa aje?
Hiyo ni siri. Mimi
na boss, hebu niangalie zile mkubwa. Mimi ni regular customer. Kubwa kama mimi. Mimi si mkubwa. Kama ni ya 60. Guys, I'm having all of this. I'm going to enjoy this with my daughter. Nalipishangwa aje per day. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I think at this point we are almost done. Yeah, I think we are done, not almost. Yeah, so at this point I'm gonna call it a wrap. So thank you so much for taking your precious time to watch my video to this part. So in case it's your first time coming across this channel, karibu. Kindly consider subscribing, give this video a like, and tap on the bell to always stay notified for new uploads. Until next time, bye bye guys. Bye.